how to make a 2x2 picture for free. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool tool that will allow you to easily turn any picture, photo, anything like that into a 2x2 like this for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the tool we're going to be using to do this is going to be convertresize.com. Now, full disclosure, I created convertresize.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your files or pictures to a server. All the tools on this website work directly in the browser on your device, your phone, computer, anything like that. So it's really safe and private. So check the description. I'll have a link down there. But once you get to convertresize.com, all you need to do is go to the search bar here and type 2, and you'll see 2x2 picture maker come up. Select that. And then all we need to do is select this little drop down area, find the picture that we want to make 2x2. And I'm just using a picture of my dog as an example here. Now you do have the option if you want to do a 1x1 as well, but by default, it's going to do 2x2. So now that the photo has been selected, we can move it around up and down and left and right if we need to. And if you need to zoom in to make the face bigger, it does have some guides here. You can do that, as you can see. Then just scroll down and you can download it as a single photo, or you can download it as a printable sheet, which will have 6 copies of it. So if you need to use it in other places, things like that. I'm just going to do the single photo. Then I'll select download. Then I can save it. And once I go to open it up, you can see I now have that cropped 2x2 photo really quickly for free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.